So now we want to look at how we put a inequality on a number line. So we've got our inequality of x is less than 3. So, and here's our number line. It's a pretty simple one. Our numbers don't have to be very big. So how do we represent this in a graphical form on a number line here? Well, the first thing we will look for is whether it's greater than or less than, so whether we're going to go to the left or the right of our on our number line, but also we've got to look at whether it's equal to. In this case, it's not equal to, so we've got a special thing there, and we've also got to look at what our number is. So our number's 3, so we're looking at the number 3, and because it's not equal to, my starting point is 3, but I'm going to put an open circle there. So my circle's going to be open, and what that means is that the x is going to be less than 3. So it's every number before 3 is equal to x, which means it goes really close to 3 but not equal to 3. So that's why we have an open circle to indicate that 3 is not part of it, but everything else is up to 3 is. So that's why we're going to put a line, and my line's going to be pretty messy because I haven't got a nice little rule. Well, it's not too bad. Oh, it's starting to get messy. But we make our line, and we can see that our line goes to the left there because every number that is less than 3 is part of this inequality. So x can be any number as long as it's less than 3. That describes all the numbers up to 3 but not including it. So we have an open circle. Let's compare that to x is greater than or equal to 1. So again, we're considering 1, but this time because we've got our equal sign as well as our greater than sign, that means x is going to be on 1 as well. So we have a circle there, and it's going to be a solid circle or a solid dot on our number line. And then every number for x can be greater than 1. So we're going to put our line that way. It's every one that way. So there we go. Greater than or less than, depends on you go left or right. And equal to is a solid dot. Not equal to is an open dot.